Log in with your registered email and password to get started. Now, all your documents are right at your fingertips, right on your computer. Choose the file you want to encrypt. And simply click on Encrypt. With the Crystal's Kyber algorithm, your files are kept quantum safe, the next level of security. Hit Next, then start encryption to lock your files securely. When you need to access your files again, it's just as simple. Browse to the encrypted file you want to decrypt. Select it and click Start Decrypting, just like that. Your keys are crucial for decryption. To keep them safe for use on another device, click Export Keys and store them in a secure place.